reporting live from Southern California. We are visiting. See, look, there's already a bar down. Oh, well, sorry, we don't have a charger right now, so we're hoping that my camera lasts. But we are visiting SoCal, which is where I'm from and grew up. And we're moving back actually in October, but we had a trip out here planned, so we've been here for almost a week and a few days, and we've been
No, we've been here 4 days.
No, because it's a week on Thursday. Today's Tuesday.
Oh, yeah.
So yes, 4 days. 5 days. Anyways, okay, whatever. We've had the best time. We had like a wedding we went to that Will was in. We spent time with my family. Anyways, it's just been amazing. But today Will and I are having a fun little day. This is something that is very typical SoCal beachgoers if you have time off. So we are heading to the beach. If you couldn't catch that. And we are going to Huntington Beach today. We're staying in Anaheim with my family, my parents, so it's really easy to get down there. Of course, there's an accident. We're back in SoCal.
What a
Traffic
shame.
is the way it goes, and we packed up food, so we're going to have lunch down there, but we're going to get breakfast at Bonsai Bowls, which we will show you what those look like, but they're basically acai bowls if you're not familiar, and they have like granola and fruit on them, and they're so good. They're literally the best ones I've ever had, and they're massive. They aren't cheap, but they're literally so big.
Yeah, they're big old boys.
Like, you go to like other places, like even around here, and it'll be like $10 and it'll be like small, whereas like they're like massive. Anyways,
They're chunky,
so
aren't they?
yeah, we're gonna order them. You can actually order them ahead of time.
They recently brought out an app.
I know, we used to just like, you just get there, you stand in line, line's kind of long, but it's so good. So we're gonna do that and then go down and be at the beach like for most of the day. We, like I said, we packed food for our like lunch and stuff, so that's in the back. And then because it is quite warm and we don't want to get super burned, I was like, we really should have like an umbrella. Like, beach umbrella is obviously ideal, but even just like a normal umbrella. Sorry, I'm watching Will like try not to hit any cars, you know? Brit on the...
I'm a weapon on the US roads.
Brit is driving on the US roads.
We can, something that the US roads have is a carpool lane.
Yeah, we love a carpool lane.
So when there's more than one of you in the car, you can just go in the carpool lane. And
Yeah.
You absolutely fly.
I know, we're hoping we fly because there's a bit of traffic, but we shall see. Anyway, so what I was gonna say is we were like, we need an umbrella, but like my parents obviously like, don't have an umbrella because, like a rain umbrella, because you live in Southern California, it never rains here. Yeah, just be careful, babe.
Oh, that was huge! You see that? Sorry.
They
Anyway,
didn't see that. That was scary. They would not want to see that, probably giving them trauma. Anyway,
we are now successfully
I tried
in
to
the
tell them
carpool
about
lane.
this umbrella. So
Sorry,
anyways, I was
sorry.
like, let's go to Goodwill. It just opened.
Annabelle, what's Goodwill?
Goodwill is a massive thrift store, so the thrift stores here are just really big, and it's just, they're insane. But I love them. I've already been to like multiple thrift stores multiple times. But I was like, let's see if they have an umbrella. They did. It's back there. She's a really cute umbrella. We'll show you at the beach. And it said that she was gonna be $6, but she actually was $3.
Oh.
So cheap. And while I was getting that, Will ran into Target next door and got me my coffee. This is my like dream coffee. Let me just show you it. Hold on.
They have a little Starbucks in there.
Yeah, a lot of Targets have Starbucks in them, and because we were going to the thrift store, I was like, oh, could you run in and get it for me? Because every Tuesday, oh, was it easy, getting discount?
Yes, it was easy.
Every Tuesday for the month of July, they're doing 50% off iced cold drinks, so not hot, but
So it's in like
which is great.
$2.67, I think.
yeah,
or
which
something.
is like literally like so
like
cheap
£2.
for Starbucks. Yeah, I mean it's cheap for anywhere, but that is like crazy. So
Right.
what I get, and this is my favorite drink, I'm a pumpkin cream cold foam cold brew person when it's that season, when it's a autumnal season. But otherwise, this is a grande salted cream cold foam cold brew. And then I add 1 pump caramel, 2 pumps sugar-free vanilla, and then like the tiniest splash of cream because the foam on top is like cream as well. But the other day, the first Starbucks I got since being here, I was so sad. So I ordered my drink. I was so excited because the coffee, like as in Starbucks, is just so much better here. The way it tastes, just
Define better.
the variety of drinks, like just cold foam cold brews isn't a thing in the UK. They're just like flavors aren't as good. I don't know. The syrups taste different, probably because they're better for you. Like I think here in the US, like we can just load our food full of crap, which isn't good for you, but it makes things taste better. So I went to get like my favorite Starbucks drink, and it was the drive-thru, which I love a drive-thru. And I was like, oh, and a splash of cream, which is what I said. And for some reason, it came out like literally white, like as white as me. as white as the top foam. And I was like, oh no. And my friend was like, maybe they forgot to put cold brew in it, or like, anyways, or they put a splash of cold brew.
Should have sent it back.
I did. I went back in and I was like, hey, can I just have like a little bit more cold brew? So they just gave me like an extra cup with more cold brew in it, and then I just like remixed it, and it literally was totally fine.
Oh, great.
It was just funny because I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, so now I'm like, I probably didn't explain it well enough. So I'm like, have a tiny splash of cream, because otherwise some people like their coffee really milky, so they're probably just used to that. But
so I was in there ordering it.
yeah, so Will gets my complicated it's so cute. So how'd it go?
Well, yeah, no, it was absolutely fine, but I just read it off the text that Annabelle sends me because there's just so many different parts to it.
Yeah, I try and spell it out very clearly.
So I read it off. The person behind the behind the till found it very
What? Because I said emphasis on the tiny.
Yeah.
Or what?
Yeah,
Did
you know.
read that out?
Well, no, it's just like me reading something, like clearly reading something out word for word.
Yeah, and I put like when I sent him the text, I was like, and a splash of cream. Like I was like, emphasis on the tiny amount.
Yes. So then I was like, have a tiny splash of cream.
But anyways, no, Starbucks here is so great. They're like so accommodating. Like they literally don't care. Like they will do whatever you want. If you need to remake it, they like literally. I mean, I'm sure inwardly maybe they're like, oh, it's annoying that we have to remake it, but like they just never.
They're quite good at customer service.
They never act like you are ever annoying to them. Even when I'm like, oh, I'm sorry, that was like, because I'm like, a cranny salsa cream, blah blah. I'm like, sorry, so many steps. They're like, oh, like literally, that's an easy drink actually. Like the things that we deal with. What?
Yo, shall I do faster route down the 55?
Yeah.
No, because then it has me exit now, which I can't do.
This is the situation at the moment.
That's silly.
See our traffic.
Why do that?
SoCal LA. But we love it here, and we're so thankful to be visiting. But anyways, we're just gonna bring you along on our beach day and just see what happens. I don't want to kill too much of the battery, so we'll check in a bit later. Anything else you want to share with the vlog?
No, that's everything.
How many subscribers did we hit?
17K.
I'm like, it's our couple channel. No, I'm kidding. Will shows his face in the vlog. 17K, so.
Okay, it's telling me to get off here, but that's just not gonna work, is it?
Okay, we're gonna go. Bye.
Bye. Look at that.
Got our bowls. Do you want to show me yours?
Here we are. So there's
there's
one bowl.
plastic on it because we're gonna take it to the beach.
There's a plastic one, and then here's our other little bonsai bowl. Delightful. We got our got a little bodyboard, boogie board. Got our
dry stuff, food.
Just
trying to figure out how we're gonna carry everything. Look how beautiful the sky is. So blue.
In Huntington, happy days. To the beach we go.
I know. Ah! Here's the beach. Baby.
Beach, let's go.
We finished our bonsai bowls. We're now laying out. They were delicious. The beach is already busy.
Yeah.
At 11 a.m. Yay! Okay, I can't really see a freaking thing, but we got our umbrella. We left it in the car.
Yo. Wait, what?
All of that
what
for the umbrella when I bought it this morning, and it got left in the car, and Will went and got it because he's amazing. But look how cute of a little umbrella it is.
It's not that little.
Yeah, like let me see if I can show you from further away. Hold on. I mean, this kind of does make it look tiny, but it literally like we've like because it's not a real beach umbrella. We've like put the cooler like on it. And like the water bottle and a makeup bag. We just like stacked it so that it just like stays. But we really just wanted our heads kind of shaded.
Because it flew away.
Yeah. Did it hit the girls?
No, it didn't.
But it almost hit them. But look how cute. So, yeah, I might have a drink in a little bit, to be honest. To be honest. We went in the water as well a second ago. And it felt cold, but it actually felt good though. It wasn't. It's so cold, but I feel like it wasn't as cold as Bournemouth Beach in England.
What, this?
Yeah.
What, here?
Yeah.
No, it's roasted.
Comparatively?
Yeah, well, yeah.
I thought this ocean was colder than Bournemouth though.
Oh, sorry, the ocean. Sorry.
Yeah, not the weather. Sorry. Yeah, I still feel like the sea didn't feel as cold though. Like you got used to it faster.
What, here?
England. Yeah.
Yeah.
Still, even though.
Well, it's just hotter here more of the time, isn't it?
Yeah, even though England's in a crazy heat wave right now. Alright guys, we'll check in with you a little bit. Okay, so I just, well, there's a few things that happened. I filmed a TikTok doing this little braided, cute hair thing. Literally so cute. We have to get a photo in a second. And then we're having our lunch. So we brought like a little salad with us. So we have A little salad, and Will made these toasted cheeses yesterday. So that's good. He's got some garlic bread that our parents had left over from dinner. Got some sourdough bites. I've got a peach. We got more fruit in here. I've got some pickles in here. Picture of stuff. We moved the umbrella for now. We have a little mango cart. It looks kind of terrifying. But it's a mango cart with tahini in it. It's like brown. That's really good. So cheers. Cheers. With your one hand, you have to cheers to that. So we're gonna eat and try and not have everything blow away. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. We got back in the car. We took the long trek off the beach.
From the beach to the car, to the little showers.
Oh no, not showers before the car.
Showers, then to the car.
Then like cleaned more, changed.
Lotioned.
I'm putting on some makeup and I'm going to actually do my hair because it's looking a little crazy right now. So I'm gonna put a little bun, and then we're going to happy hour / Taco Tuesday at our like favorite place in Long Beach called Tequila Jack's. And we would always go there when we lived here, and it's just like so delicious.
Very affordable.
Very affordable on Tuesdays. Literally the only day we ever go. I mean, don't know how affordable it's other days.
It's $1.49 per taco.
Yes, and then $5.95 or like $5.25, whatever it is, like margaritas,
big.
and it's like those big goblet kinds, and they're actually good margaritas. They're not like too gross or sweet or whatever. Do you know what I mean though? And yeah, we love. So we were like, wait, we should just go if they still do like the whole happy hour thing. You know, since COVID, so many things have changed. You never know, but
so we Googled it, and they are.
Apparently they do. So
apparently,
once we were there, we can actually, you know.
It will definitely be happy hour.
Yeah. So I'm gonna finish my makeup, do my hair, and we'll check in when we're there.
And we're driving down PCH, Pacific Coast Highway.
Some traffic again.
Shocker.
Believe it or not. But we've had literally the best day, and it's beautiful out, so.
And it's not like 100 degrees like it is in England, so happy days.
Yeah, only like 88. Wait, we're gonna talk about the restaurant. But we ordered drinks and just drinks. We just ordered drinks, but we got our complimentary chips and salsa. This is why we love generally Mexican restaurants. Mexican food restaurants have complimentary chips and salsa usually. But anyways, so good. The best chips ever. I'm not kidding. But we ordered margaritas that we're waiting for, and we were like, we need water, and so we were like, you caught the waiter and had it.
So I was like, oh, can I get 2 waters? And he was like, what?
He's right behind you.
And then I was like, oh, can I get 2 waters? And he was like, yeah, sure.
Of course, because he's listening out, Will. He knows. He's not used to the English accent. But I finished doing my hair. I filmed a little TikTok, just a little sleek bun. And I'm wearing this dress I thrifted, which is actually so cute. And it's like long. And I'm wearing these little sandals too that were brand new 9 West that I thrifted as well since being here. We love. But yeah, we're just chilling outside. It's so good. We love it all. We need some water. Right, we got our incredible margaritas.
Boom.
Look at them. They're massive.
But they only come half full though, don't they?
Okay, wait. I'm gonna show you size comparison to my face. You can just. Okay, so you're on the table, guys. The food just looks so good everywhere.
The chicken looks better than it did last time we were. It's the size of your head.
It's the size of my head. It's literally. These poor employees are like, why is this girl filming? Margaritas are so good. If you are ever in Long Beach, Tequila Jack's, 3 to 7.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Is it 3 to 7 though?
No, it's still closed on a Tuesday.
3 till close for the tacos and the margaritas. It's not everything on their menu. Otherwise, things are full price. So if you just want some chips, salsa, margaritas, highly recommend. Will's looking tan after today.
I'll tell you how I look. Yeah, I think it's on the edge. No, maybe it is tanned.
We got some weird burns, we think.
Yeah, we were in the sun a lot.
Yeah, so we're gonna. I think it's a bit patchy.
I fell asleep.
Ooh. We wore sunscreen though, guys. We don't.
I fully creamed up.
Yeah, well, you have to wear sunscreen. We don't want skin cancer. You know what I'm saying?
There is something more.
Spicy. Hashtag Christian merch. Okay, bye. The food is here. The iconic fish tacos, mine. We got wings, which is a bit silly.
Why was it silly?
Mexican restaurant. Are you
Wings
good?
are great.
Controversial. Then you got a bean and cheese.
Asada, bean and cheese, baja fish.
3 different types of tacos. They're so good.
I really like the beans.
Oh, literally being blinded by the sun. We finished our food. Somehow I didn't think I'd finish it, but I did. Are you full?
Oh, aye.
We're like food coma right now. So tired. And I think we might need a nap in the car, Will. I suggested a walk, but Will wasn't so impressed by that. Maybe. I don't know. But that's all that's happening. I think we should go out here though and see the cute little buildings. Show the vlog. They want to see the vlog. I'm rooting for you guys. So we were eating right there. So I wanted to show you guys how stunning. This is why we love Long Beach. This is where we want to move back to. She's a cutie, and there's some cute little stores over here. Here's my cutie. But it's seriously just so beautiful. Will just pointed out this quality. Let's zoom in. Mamacita, I want that boat. What a name. Truly, truly iconic. Okay, we made it back to my parents' house after a great date day.
After a great date day.
The sun, let's see if we can see it. You can't see it. Can you see it?
It's just down there.
The sun is setting.
There.
It's not even that late actually. 7:40. Wow, we had a whole day.
We've been out almost 12 hours.
It was a great day in SoCal life. Beaching, tacos, margs.
We won't show you the sunburn, we'll save you that.
Yeah, I'm curious. I got like, yeah, you can see like I was like, oh, definitely got something. And yeah, we're home. So this is the end of the vlog. Hope you liked it.
Have a great day.
Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment down below.
Watch other videos.
Well, thanks, man.
You're welcome, babe.
Leave a comment down below if you've ever been to Southern California or what your favorite beach is. And I will see you in my next video.
Bye.
Bye.